CSPR Casper is looking great on the daily time frame. It's respecting structure. Ever since we saw this two huge movement to the upside, price is still maintaining structure, which means bullish for CSPR Casper. I think this bad boy can go right up to about $1, even more. This bull market, we are seeing Bitcoin showing us bullish signal, even though the market was down, in recent days. It was because of the fact that we saw many altcoins did well, and they had to retrace. Bitcoin had to retrace also. We received good news for that the U.S. Government, like the U.S. The Senate or something like the House of Representatives, passed a bill that support stable coin. These are all bullish signal that I think project like CSP or Casper is gonna do well. That's why we saw Bitcoin even went right up to almost about Bitcoin went up right up to about $108. Yeah, it almost get to $108, price point. So this is good news for everything crypto. And looking at CSP or Casper, I think we are at a good spot for this bad boy. Those of you who are holding this bad boy, I think you can testify that you have come a long way. You took the ride from the top to this bottom here, and now you have been enjoying the gains. It hasn't been easy with this project, but I think to an extent, since it is a blockchain based project, we're gonna see it survive. But one thing I'm looking at here, it's gonna take some time for us to see price move to the upside until we see price kiss at least the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame before we're gonna expect some sort of huge movement to the upside. But for now, I think it's good that CSPR Casper is holding strong. And if we look at Myro the dog right now, we're gonna realize that Myro is also looking good. I think from where we are right now, we should expect some sort of huge movement to the upside for Myro because Bitcoin has been doing well. Bitcoin has been making highs, doing well, and these meme coins, had to retrace. All these coins that move drastically had to retrace, before continuing back to the upside. So you see, from where we were before, look at this movement, rise up one, two. So we're gonna expect rise straight to the upside before maybe any major retracement again. But for now, I think if we should ask this question whether buy now or wait later, I'll say buy now. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm someone who knows nothing but say something. I say, or I'm saying what I'm doing. Don't go and buy that. You quote me for that. If you must buy because you want to buy, not because I say so. But if I'm the one, I'm buying this coin right now. I'm not gonna wait till till I'm gonna buy it instantly. And those of you who actually want to trade, if you want to trade, like if you want to do the things I do, like amazingly, I've been enjoying trading recently, but it hasn't been like this before. It has been tough. It was tough before trading. I had bad experiences. My stop loss entries, timing, everything, like it was really difficult until I had to learn the hard way. Took courses. Had some online mentors who helped me out. Like it has been really good so far because now I understand the game, I understand liquidity, I understand a lot of stuff that I didn't understand before. And this is the same thing I want to pass down to you. I've learned something I want to share with you guys also. So if you're interested to learn more about trading, you want to take your investment to the next level, then make sure you use the link below this video to join my free Telegram community. From there, let me know that you want to learn how to trade, and I want to tell you how we can get started with that. I'm going to take you one on one, and I'm going to look at your schedule. If say you need more of a course, then I'm going to recommend you what course to go and take. But if you need more someone who can take you one on one, then I can help you. But if you need more of a course, then I'm going to recommend you where you're going to go get that course. The same course I took, I'm going to recommend you to go and get the same course. So yeah, I mean, we are here to help each other. Trust me. the skill of trading is something no one can take away from you, and I really want to see you follow my channel, support what I do, you believe in what I do, and you are trying to make a difference here. I want to see you also grow, grow. So yeah, let's get back to the analysis. Um, yeah, so Migo coin looks bullish, looks awesome on the daily time frame. Let's see what is going on here on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, it looks also bullish. Why? You see, ever since we saw this huge move here to the upside, price has been respecting structure here. Because if I bring in the FIB 2 here, let me just bring in the FIB 2 from block it from up to from bottom to the top of this move. Let's see what we're gonna get there. You see, so price has rejected from the golden pocket. This is an important zone. If you are trading, you can see one, not only once, one, two, three, four, five. So this move should be the move that take us to, I think, maybe the previous high, or maybe right up to about 42, 0.42 price point. So I don't know, but for me, if say I'm investing in this coin right now, I think I'm gonna be buying right now, or maybe yeah, if I'm investing sorry, if I'm trading this coin, I'm gonna be buying it right now, trust me. But I'm not like trading the coin, I'm an investor in the coin. I already have Miro coin, so I don't want to trade Miro coin. It's so volatile. I just want to buy, then I have my take profit where I need to have it. But I as I mentioned to you guys, I think we're gonna see price at least, if not go and make next high from this previous high, but at least gonna target this 200-day moving average. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at for this bad boy. Now going to MOG Coin, I think that MOG Coin is showing us similar price action as Migo Coin, but in this case, I think we still have a long way to go with more coin. Why I say so? Guys, look at where we have this moving average. Look at this white moving average here. This is the 50-day moving average. It has to crisscross this yellow, yellowish moving average and this red moving average before we can confirm the next major move to the upside. Okay, after price bounce from here, price break structure, went up there, and now we need to retrace back to, like, it's not a must, right? But based on the rule of trading, like, the market makers, the way they trade, at least they should bounce from here. And if they bounce from here, this is gonna be awesome, because this will mean that they're gonna come back towards this area, yeah, where they break structure to retest structure. From there, if we see multiple rejection, then we know they're gonna, from here, gonna take the price to the upside. So I don't know, maybe something will happen that will take price like downward. I don't know. Like, you can see we have lots of liquidity here, these vector candles. So I don't know, but something will happen. If not, then price is not gonna move sideways, 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 until it catch up with this moving average here. So it can be spiking down, up, down, before we see the next major move to the upside. So basically, where we are right now on the daily time frame is awesome, but I cannot really say to you guys, buy it right now. Like, and then maybe, because based on my analysis, I'm not seeing any next major move to the upside from where we are right now. Not that it cannot go up, of course, it can go up, but it might go up or it might not go up. So that's just how it is. But if say it has to go up, let's just look at the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we need to see. So if more coin must go up, then we want to see price break this level here and stay above this key level. So we need to see price break that level, yeah, break it and stay above it. If we see price break and stay above this zone here, then I might want to get some more coin. I'm holding more coin, no doubt. Like, more coin is one of my long-term play. I traded it back and forth, and I cash out profit only when I see danger on the higher time frame, or I get out from the coin only when I see danger on the higher time frame. For now, I'm not seeing any danger on the higher time frame, because after we saw this huge move to the upside, we should expect price to at least retrace back towards this key area. But usually, price doesn't just go straight like that. We're gonna see price reject up and down, reject up and down, to liquidate those who are trying to short or long the market. And after they have decided to that okay, it's enough, we have built our contract, let's take the price to the zone that we want it to go, then they're gonna like take it down here. They're gonna send stop hunt, like this, then back to the upside. For now, if there's no stop hunt, then we might not see any next movement to the upside um with that. Let me look at Boomer. Bob Andy, you're asking what about Boomer? Let's see what Boomer is showing us right now. Boomer also is one of my long-term play in terms of like I trade this also like always, and like always buy the spots. I trade Boomer mostly spot, even um MOG Coin. Yeah, Boomer looks like, guys, you see, um after this huge move, if let me just bring in the fib tool, so let's just see where we are based on the fib tool. Now, based on the fib tool, let me you see, based on the fib tool, you see, prices around now the 50% of this move to the upside. Usually we should expect price to retrace from the 50% or from the 0.382% off from the golden pocket. So we are in the range that we expect price to break out from or to reject from. And so far, if I zoom this, you're gonna see that price has been rejected from this zone, yeah, 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 and yeah. So if we see price keep rejecting this zone on the 4 hours time frame and the daily time frame, then it means that this is where the market makers want to retrace, like reverse price from and continue the movement to the upside. Now, are they gonna just do it straight away? I don't think so. Why? Because they need to do it with a stopping volume candle, and we are not seeing anything like that. If we drop down to the 1 hour time frame, let me see if you're gonna see something like that. I'm not seeing anything like that. You can see price is just moving in here, up and down. So you can trade these futures, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can even do this on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see here, if you look at this, look at the volume on on this time frame. Look at how like up, down is massive. So you can trade this on a lower time frame. It's predictable. You can see when price is here, it goes up. It's here, it goes up. It came back there, went up, and now price is holding here. So it has found another support zone here that is gonna like take the next move to the upside. So this zone here should be the area where you should be cashing out some profit if you're gonna be buying book of memes short term. But long term, if you look at the weekly time frame, it looks bullish, guys. It looks bullish. We are now at above the alpha trend, which is bullish. You see, we should stay above the alpha trend on the weekly time frame. And so far as we are above the alpha trend, and the move that took us to stay above the alpha trend was a vector candle. So the continuation to take us like should the price should continue, not the continuation to take us. Price should continue going to the upside. Yeah, so that looks somehow great for Boomer. If you have any other coin that you want me to look at, I can look at right now. But I think Myro, MOG Coin, CSPR, Casper, they are in a good position right now to grab some. And one more thing that I wanted to show you guys, like I'm in this trade now, currently, Breadcoin. I'm in a Breadcoin trade right now. Let me just go to my trading chart. Let me see. Is this the one? Yeah, this is my trading chart. So let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, we're already on. Yeah, you can see I already have it. Yeah. Now, based on the way I trade, if we look at Bitcoin today, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that right now we saw how price pointed this vector candle, yeah, on the like this was accompanied by a huge volume, I think so. Not really, so maybe this move is not gonna do anything, but um I think what we have been seeing here for Breadcoin, is simple. Price has been, been in an uptrend from this movement. Yeah, you see up here, and now we saw retracement back here towards this key area. Yeah, I bought it here. You know, my target is around this zone here. I have two targets. The first target is here. This vector candle here. That's the first. That's the like the second target. This is the first target. It's almost being filled. This vector here, and after that vector, this one here. So if I see price here, I'm gonna cash out some profit, then cash it out again up here, for breadcoin. But now looking at breadcoin on a daily time frame, there's something I want you guys to see here, which is amazing because breadcoin also has been in an uptrend, and we saw massive retracement. But price is holding this key area. Yeah, we can even look at this on this chart, so that I'm gonna like do the same thing here to show you guys. Let's see bread. Let me show you guys something here that let me see on the daily time frame. Yeah, so you can see ever since Bitcoin made this move to the upside, we haven't really seen price continue. Why? Because this white day moving average, which is the 50-day moving average, haven't yet crisscrossed. It has to cross this yellowish, then the price is gonna bounce from it, go up there, then it crosses this red before we're gonna expect Bitcoin to move to the next, like to make the next move to the upside. That's why I'm a little bit skeptical when I'm trading this coin. I'm not gonna think that it's gonna keep going to the upside. I think it's gonna go more to the downside based on what I'm looking at. Yeah, for Bitcoin. So price might just be moving like that, sideways, up and down before we see the next move to the upside. But price has to somehow keep this moving average here before we should expect that move to continue to the upside. You know. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I'm currently in the Bitcoin trade. If say you want to trade this, you can trade this on Bitronix. You go below this video, you're gonna see a link. Yeah, it says trade with Bitronix. If you click that link, then you're gonna get some sort of discount trading with me. And also, if you are in cryptocurrency and you don't yet have VPN, I recommend you have VPN. At least it's gonna help protect you. So go to this description here and click on this link to get this VPN. And if you click this link, this is an affiliate link. I'm in affiliate with NordVPN. Let me just click that link so we can see. Let me click the link. If you wanna get that, just click on this link, and it's gonna take you yeah, so you're gonna get up to 72% off NordVPN. So if you click that link, that's what you get. That's a deal for 2 years, and guys, it costs just $3 per month. You don't want to allow hackers to attack you. If you do crypto, they can join your wallet, can send you phishing link. You click on the link, and they get your password, all the stuff. So you don't want to give it to them. Make sure you actually protect yourself online. All right, guys. That's it for today's live. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, do like it, share it. See you the next one. Have a nice day. Ciao.